County in central Kentucky, northeastern Taylor County in central Kentucky.
About time I got something on the flash flood warning.
Until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
Oh my God, that scared me more than it should have.
Eastern Daylight Time. Severe thunderstorm
My God.
located along a line extending from near Lebanon to 12 miles northwest of Liberty, moving south at 5 miles per
You're
hour.
lucky you're getting this alert right now, because
Expected
I
hazards
literally
include
about
60
passed
miles
out.
per hour in gusts and nickel-sized hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Campbellsville, Lebanon, Bradfordsville, Taylor County Airport, Bass, Spurlington, Belltown, Jessiotown, Arista, and Saloma. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Report severe weather to local law enforcement. Post your report to the National Weather Service Louisville Facebook page, or tweet your report using hashtag #LMKSpotter. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Oh,
Now for the official National Weather Service
may I say
forecast
this
for the
thing
Bluegrass
is
Kentucky,
loud.
including Lexington.
I mean, it's louder than it should be. I mean, I understand the radio has to be loud, but it don't have to be that loud. Oh my God, I'm literally about passed out on my bed trying to get up.